Good morning, students. How are you, Vita? Hope you all are fit and fine, students. Yes, students, I hope you all have completed pre-reading task as we have discussed earlier. Yes, students, today we are going to discuss lesson number 3. It's a poem, Leisure, and this poem is written by W.H. Davies. And students, it's a very beautiful poem. So, students, let's recite first of all. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can unreach that smile her eyes begin. A poor life this, if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. Stare का मीनिंग स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है? A fixed look. Okay, एक टक देखते रहना. Yes, students, the poet wants to say that we don't have time to enjoy the beauties of nature. And why? Because life has become so fast, so hectic, students, that people have no time to enjoy the beauties of nature. He says also, students, that there is no time for us to stand and look upon anything. No time to stand beneath. Beneath का मीनिंग स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है? Under. Okay. No time to stand beneath the boughs. Bough का मीनिंग स्टूडेंट क्या होता है? Branch of tree. Okay. And stare as long as sheep or cows. His students, he wants to say that there is no time for us to stand and look upon anything, and we don't have any time to see the forests, the animals. Okay, we don't have any time to see the forest, the animals hiding and playing there. And students, we don't have any time also to see the beauties of nature that are scattered around us. But students, it is a pity that we have no time to enjoy them. We have no time. We have no time, students, to stand under a shady tree and stare leisurely like cows and शीप. बेटा काउज और शीप की तरह हमारे पास इतना फ्री टाइम नहीं है दैट वी कैन स्टैंड अंडर आ शेडी ट्री एंड एंजॉय द ब्यूटी ऑफ नेचर. No time to see when woods means forests. Okay, no time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide. Squirrels क्या होते हैं बेटा? गिलहरी. Where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Yes, students, poet wants to say that when we pass through woods or when we pass through forest, we have no time, beta, to see where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, or we can say we don't have any time to see the forest, the animals hiding and playing there, even if we are passing through them, students. He also says, students, that we don't have time to see the streams which are full of stars in the daytime, just like the skies are full of stars in the night. Or we can say, students, we have no time to see how rivers shimmer under sunlight and the surface of the river reflects the sunlight, and it appears, students, as if it is a star studded sky. Yes, students, you can see in the picture also. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, जब सनलाइट जो है वाटर पे रिफ्लेक्ट करती है, उसके ऊपर पड़ती है स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो बहुत शाइन करता है वाटर. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो कि सनलाइट जब पानी पे पड़ रही है बेटा, वो बहुत रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है और वो रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है स्टूडेंट, तो बट वी कैन से कि वो कैसा लग रहा है, जैसे स्टार्स आ गए हो, बहुत सारे स्टार्स उस स्ट्रीम के अंदर, उस रिवर के अंदर बहुत सारे स्टार्स आ गए हो, जैसे कि नाइट में स्टार्स हमें दिखते हैं ना बेटा स्काई में, वैसे ही सेम स्टूडेंट्स रिवर में अब क्या लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं. ओके, इट अपीयर्स एज इफ इट इज़ अ स्टार स्टडीड sky, है ना. So students, the poet wants to say, but we don't have any time to enjoy these scenes of nature, this beauty of nature. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. Now student, what do you mean by glance? It means quick look. Okay, बिल्कुल जल्दी जल्दी देखना किसी चीज़ को, glance, quick look. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. और enrich का meaning students क्या होता है? To adorn, to decorate. Okay, students, the poet wants to say that we are indifferent to beauties of nature. Beauty spreads smile around us. Okay, students, beauty spreads smiles around us, but students, unfortunately we are in such a hurry. हम हमेशा स्टूडेंट्स इतनी जल्दी में रहते हैं, वी आर इन सच अ हरी दैट वी कैनॉट इवन एन्जॉय इट्स रिच स्माइल, कि हम जो है इसके रिच स्माइल को, ब्यूटी की रिच स्माइल को बेटा एन्जॉय नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी आर in such a hurry that we cannot even enjoy its rich smile. He says, students, that we don't have time to look at nature's beauty. We don't have time to see the happiness that prevails in nature. A poor life, this, if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Yes, student, the poet says that we are leading a poor life. What he says? That we are leading a poor life if we are leading a life like this. Means life like this means in which students we don't have any time. Okay, students, we don't have any time, or we can say students, it's indeed a matter of pity that we have no time to admire beauties of nature. Actually, students, man is so much lost in the hectic routine life that natural beauty lies scattered around him. है ना, natural beauty lies scattered around him, but students, he has no time for it, or we can say human life has become so fast, hectic and busy that modern man is left with no time for entertainment, or we can say enjoyment in the lap of nature. Hope students, it's clear to you. All of you have understood well, students. Now beta, try to read it again and try to understand. Okay students. Okay students, bye bye beta, have a nice day.